Francisco Xavier.聖方濟各斜巷，大三巴斜巷。
So we're going to be walking up this one, Calzada de San Francisco Xavier. This is St. Paul Street down this way. All the noise that we hear is because this is a major tourist attraction down that way called Sao Paulo Ruins, but the street that we're going to go is going to go up to the top of that, and then we're going to look back down. So we're going to be over there, up there, and looking down this way once we get up to the top of our street. Okay, so stay tuned. Let's take this, show you a little slice of Macau, put it up on the map for you. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Pretty cool building too, by the way. Okay, so we're going to be walking up this hill. I'm going to just kind of show you what it looks like. Okay, let's go up this way. This little pink building is actually like a trash bin incinerator. Kind of cool. Okay, so we're going to follow this all the way up. And I think these are some of the old walls. This yellow one is like some of the old walls. We're going to take a look at all this in a little bit. So right in there, it's a nice historical value. I don't know what that is. I was able to I did a video about St. Paul Street, which is where we started at. And I was able to go into that, but I've never been able to have access before. Still don't know what it is, really. For a little while they had a restaurant here, and then they had a lot of people over there, but now that's faded away with COVID. Yeah, and actually these coffee holla Inside I can see the remnants of a coffee shop that was there. It's kind of too bad. Too bad it didn't all survive, like some of the businesses. This is a nice street. It's just so that's our focus. Wow, look how nice that looks. And then this one, I think this is the backside of the cinema theater, Passion Cinema Theater. We're coming up on the backside of Sao Paulo ruins here. And then this is the old wall. Actually, I'm going to show it to you right here. It says section of the old city walls, 1569, Portuguese settlements. Then it has like all your information. So these are some of those walls. So if I was to touch this, it's kind of like flakes a little bit, and it's like made out of oyster shells and some other material that was common when they built walls at that time period. Okay. This is a small little temple up at the top. There's our street sign again. And then this goes into a small little area. These are like some old style temples. Patio de Espino. Okay, that's a small museum right there. And a lot of people will take photos right here because you get Sao Paulo, and you have the city walls right here, you have Sao Paulo ruins, and you have Grand Lisboa. So our target street was right there. But I did want to go up here. Huh. Looks like they're doing some performance here. So I don't think I can go in here. So right there they have a barrier. I was hoping to go up and show you from up there, but I cannot today. Performance. So anyways, that was our target street right there. I didn't walk right by the San Luis. These days there's a lot of Cuban cigars in Macau. And there's that one building that I can see inside a little bit. These are kind of cool too. Somebody has that nice balcony like that. So that's actually our target street. And that's too bad that I can't go up there and film. So this is actually a little bit of a different street, the Resurrection Street. And I guess instead, we'll just walk down it. And then to the right is Passion Street. So this is kind of a really cool street. So when we were started down that way, and we went kind of around this whole block in this area. So, okay. So we're gonna keep on going down. Some nice architecture in here. Okay. So that was it. Oh, the light just came on. Okay, good. So we're just gonna end the video when we get down to the base of the hill here. And it's gonna be super crowded. And then we'll look up to the steps, which is the steps I thought I was gonna go down, but instead we're gonna go this way instead. Yeah, the lighting just came on too, so it's actually really nice for filming. So I think they are doing some kind of performance. Let me see. So something's going on. It's all blocked up, and then there's a bunch of people in blue. Just walk like this. There you go. And up there's actually like a little castle up on top of the hill there. Okay. So we're gonna end our video. Slice of Macau there for you.